In today's video, I'm going to show you how to organize Outlook email with folders using inbox rules. This method is perfect if you want to automatically sort incoming emails into specific folders based on sender, subject line, or keywords. Instead of manually dragging and dropping emails every single day, you can set up rules once and let Outlook do the work for you. This will save you tons of time and keep your inbox clean and organized. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open Outlook in your browser or desktop app. Once you're in your inbox, look for the settings icon in the top right corner. It looks like a gear symbol. Click on it to open the settings menu. From the drop-down menu, click on the View All Outlook settings. This will open the full settings panel where you can customize how Outlook works. In the settings window, click on Mail from the left sidebar. This is where all your email management options are located. Next, click on Rules. This is the feature that lets you create automated actions for incoming emails. Now, click on Add New Rule. This will open a new window where you can define what happens to your emails based on specific conditions. In the name field, type a descriptive name for your rule. For example, if you're creating a rule to organize meeting-related emails, you could name it Meetings Folder Rule. Next, set the condition. This is the trigger that tells Outlook which emails should be moved. You can choose from options like sender, subject line, or keywords in the email body. For this example, let's say you want to move all emails with the word meeting in the subject line. Choose the condition that matches your needs and enter the keyword or criteria. After setting the condition, choose the action. In this case, select Move to Folder, then choose the folder where you want these emails to go. If the folder doesn't exist yet, you can create a new one. Right from this screen, click Save to activate the rule. Your rule is now live and will automatically organize incoming emails that match the condition you set. You can repeat this process to create multiple rules for different folders. For example, you could create a rule for newsletters, client emails, project updates, or anything else you want to organize. Just click Add New Rule again and follow the same steps. Each rule works independently, so you can customize your inbox however you want. Once all your rules are set up, your Outlook inbox will automatically sort emails into the right folders as they arrive. No more manual sorting or cluttered inbox. And that's it. You've successfully organized your Outlook email with folders using inbox rules. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.